Hi, what's your name?
Patrick Ball.
Patrick, and tell me about your art piece here.
So we wanted to build a piece that showed motion with audio and light, and we wanted people to be in the middle of it. So we decided to build a field of flowers. We originally built 160, there's 135 out here tonight. And waves of sound and light. That was a winery. Right now we're playing a rainstorm. And the rainstorm and the wind and the frogs and the bird sounds will all move through the field, so you get a sense of dynamic sound as the raindrops fall on top of the flowers. So that's the idea.
They are just beautiful. Anything you can tell us about the tech that's driving them?
Sure. Each flower has an ESP32 along with a board that I designed to do level shifting, because you should never drive LEDs with 3.3 volts.
No, you shouldn't.
And there's a little bit of audio processing on the board too, so that we can do a digital analog converter. The flowers each have an SD card with about 150 little tiny wave files that we can send out for audio effects. We're driving 111 WS2812s at about 270 frames per second. One of the cores of the ESP32 is totally dedicated to running the fast LED library to drive the LED effects really as smoothly as we possibly can.
That's fantastic. And I noticed you were controlling it from an iPad. And
yes. So they're all speaking Wi-Fi to a server that's running some Python code to give us field level effects so we can move stuff across. The server knows where every flower is in space, and then we can use a little dashboard that we built for an iPad to control them, so that we can make waves of sound and light move across from as a DJ.
All right, can you give us an example? Can you make some
Here's
lights
a
and sounds move
pulse
across?
of red.
Ooh.
So we'll just pulse them all with red now.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and then I can pulse them all with teal.
Ooh.
But we're in the middle of the rainstorm, so I don't want to do anything more intrusive than that.
That sounds good. We wouldn't want to interrupt the rainstorm.
Nope. Although the birds are singing, so the birds sing at the end of the storm.
All right.
So
and do you have a URL where people can find out more about this?
campjobi.com, campjobi.com.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And this is the most amazing thing. You guys have got to see this.
Yeah, you like that angle in my mind?